Hey Glampers! Today we're camping at a water park.
Hey, welcome back to Those Who Glamp Together. I think we just aged like 40 years.
Yeah.
Through the intro. That's just weird. But we are here with our grandkids and we are going to enjoy this park with water features, all kinds of fun stuff for the weekend.
We also have Jessica and Josh. We met them last year in Colorado Springs.
Colorado Springs, yeah.
And we connected because our campers were back to back with each other. And we've just been trying to connect with them, and we were able to do that earlier this year. So we've had this planned, and we're going to enjoy Baylor
Beach.
Baylor Beach
Campground.
So
enjoy this weekend.
Okay, look, they have little flies.
Looks like it's just little sand or pebbles.
look at the barrel roll. We're totally doing that.
We're definitely doing that.
Oh, we're definitely doing that.
We're definitely doing the
Trying to avert some painful expense, but Mike lost his prescription glasses in the deep end, so he's down there looking. Hopefully we can find him. Oh my word! Oh yeah!
Your name, Carter?
Yeah. Lucas.
Jeremiah, Lucas, and Carter.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Now an old guy can see.
Nice. See if a queen size sheet fits on it. Okay. We're gonna putt-putt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go with boats.
We're gonna do the boats, but we're gonna putt-putt first. Okay. All right. We're gonna head over and go putt-putting.
Yes!
So what are we gonna do?
Geocache.
Okay.
I think that's what it's called. Geocache. This is a froggy there.
Josh, you don't want to do any paddling?
Huh?
Josh doesn't want to do any paddling?
Oh, no. He has to stay.
I'm just the anchor.
You good?
All right, glampers, we're going to end up our weekend here at, where are we? Baylor Beach. We're going to end up our weekend here at Baylor Beach Campground. This has been an amazing campground. We've had a lot of fun. We're all tired, a lot of sun, but I'd be remiss if we didn't introduce you to the Roaming Shack.
Yeah.
You got Josh, Jessica, and Zach here. We met these guys last year in Colorado Springs. We were actually camping back to back. I happened to notice the Ohio place, so Josh and I started talking in the mornings when we're having coffee and saying hey, and then Joni and Jessica's been in touch over the year trying to get us to camp together. So
We finally made it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Have you guys had a good weekend?
Yes. A little sore.
Peter's sore. My Peter's sore.
Your Peter's
This
sore.
place will make you feel your age, that's
You
for sure.
Yes.
Definitely feel your
Ah!
age. So if you don't Follow them on Instagram. It's the Roman Shack on Instagram.
Yeah, we'll link them below.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
a fantastic couple. We've had a blast this weekend.
Yeah.
So reach out to them, give them some love, and happy glamping.
Happy glamping.